I know. Furnace is going and I'm working on a lawnmower. So this is my buddy Gord's daughter's lawnmower. Our kids played together. And to be honest with you, I just started it and it just needed a shot of carb cleaner in the carburetor right in there. Right in there. It's the automatic choke one. And it fired right up. It wouldn't start like this until I gave it a shot of carb cleaner. So I don't even know how old the gas is. But I just... God, I tell you. There we go. But it's warmed up. I'll show you that it runs. And then we are going to change the oil in that. I had it running outside for a few minutes. What I'm going to do right now is just turn it upside down to see how dirty it is under there. It's bad. I'm going to just start it up for you to show you that it's running. And then I'm going to scrape it up. It might sputter now because I have it on the side. Alright my friends, I just sharpened the blade. You never get them perfect once they're not new anymore. But if you see on here, it's not knife sharp, it's just blunt sharp. And if you buy a lawnmower, that's how they come. I know I've said that 1,000 times. So now over here, we've got this lawnmower turned on its side. I've just scraped out the broccoli from out underneath it. And now I'm going to just give it a quick air wash. Things like the fluff and all that. And then we'll just change the oil, check the plug, and probably refuel it with new fuel. Alright, we're going to do two things with this lawnmower. Anyway, furnace is still going. We're going to suck the oil out. You know, it looks brand new. It's a shame. We'll do it. And I guess we're there. That's going to suck like that for a while, and we're also going to suck the gas out. It just feels to me like it's running a little hesitant. A little hesitant? Does that make sense? Okay, what am I going to use here? I think this is the guy. My buddy Gord is one of my best persons who did us with the section of oil. with that finish. I'm not happy with this. I think it needs to have the fuel changed. We'll see the color of it when it comes through, right? I think it needs a little persuasion. Don't forget, guys, a lot of this stuff, my tools and stuff, have sat since last fall. There. That should work a lot better now. Maintenance on the maintenance stuff. Alright. Now I'm going to tilt it the other way. Oh, she's got that set low, eh? The wheels. But it's not my equipment, so. Good. That's good enough. Not that much gas in it. Now we're going to have a look and see how bad it is. Okay. Just for you guys, we're going to have a look here. So that is 8-month-old gas. And to prove it to you, put that back in there. This is 1-month-old gas. Not quite, eh? A little bit of difference. So now I'm just going to put some oil in it. And I'll be right back. Alright. Now everybody that gets a tune-up from me gets an oil change. Gas checked and added or changed, and air filter and blade sharpened and clean. Good. And half a tank of gas to boot. Now, I say this every time, you guys, but when you're checking a Honda, it tells you right here that when you put the dipstick in, you don't thread it in. So that's all you do to check a Honda. And it's full. Hard to tell with that clean oil, eh? Good. Now let's get a little more fuel into that. I'll be right back. I gotta go get, this jug is just empty. Let's see how she does. Oh, it's nice when they come in and they don't need a bunch of work, eh? So the hardest part was just before you guys came online, I sprayed a little bit of spray into the carburetor and it fired, sucked up the old goo out of the carburetor, and now it's 10 times out of 10 on the starting. So if I have one that doesn't start, I always make sure that I do them 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, just like this, right? And remember, this one's an automatic choke. So, thanks again, guys. It was fun. Oh yes, and I missed one thing on that little green mower. I just checked the plug and it's gapped to 28 thousandths.